Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add more categories in your Shopify uh, desktop version as well as for mobile version. So first of all, we need to go to theme and we need to click on customize. Okay, let's just open this. Then now we can see the customize is very loaded. Now the first question is okay. Now here is the thing, like there are three subcategories into your main menu. Okay, so can you first, we need to go to this header design 5. You need to open this and you need to scroll down. Okay, and this is your home and this is your shop. Okay, first click on this and then we need to check home and which categories are displayed. So it's mean footer menu. So now what we need to do, we can go to navigation. Okay, and in navigation we need to go to footer menu. If you add any category here, it will be automatically added to your desktop as well as for mobile version. Okay, now let's add one more category here and then we can, it will be also added here. So let's test this. Add collection. So we can just test collection, test purple. Okay, now let's add this and now press save. Okay, now we need to hard refresh, do hard refresh for our store so we can see category. Can you see? And also it's added here. Can you see? And one more thing, when you just go to mobile version, it will be, it also added automatically. Okay, so let me show you. When you just over here, click here. I think it's loading. Wait, it needs some time to load. Can you see? And it's not also added. So it's mean, yeah, you can just go to every time when you want to add more collection. So you just need to go to navigation, then filter menu and just add the collection here. It will be automatically added in everywhere. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand.